So, are you done extending your work? Okay, so number one, what's the given figure? It's a, saman, somebody number one. What do you think is this figure? Considering that both sides are associated with dimension equal to x. What's up telling us in the figure? Okay, cube or square?
Square.
Okay, square. So, since it is a square, what is the area of this figure? What's the area?
Square.
Okay, it's x squared. Why x squared? Dahil. Anong x squared man? Ha? Anybody? Why it is x squared? Kindly explain. Anong x squared man? Anong x squared man ang area? Okay? Area formula sa square? S? S times S. S times S. Meaning, side times side. So, side times side, x times x. So, muna siya x squared. That's the reason. Now, number two, what do you think is the figure? How did you know it is a rectangle? Okay, ang yahan, considering no, that these sides are parallel and this side also are parallel, and then as you can see, this side, these two sides no, are longer than these two parallel sides, right? So that's the reason na consider siya as rectangle. So what's the formula sa rectangle? Area of a rectangle is 10 times width, so we can have now length, kilometer length. Okay, how did you know it is x plus 2? How did you know? Yan, okay. Ang uban kay i-multiply, di 2x, di na to na i-y. Di na to na i-multiply, nga 2x. Dapat x plus 2 kay, we are talking of length. Remember, we are talking of length. Right? So, kani sa length man siya, itas on. Kani po siya, itas on. So, as it is given, kini ang itas on daw ini is x, itas on ani is 2. So, simply, kung kani ang x, ganito, ato na yan. Like, if we have certain unit, at ibutan na 3 na siya. So, pila man ito na? 5. Bakit? Na kay 3, plus 2. Diba? But, tinood na dito is x man, so ang natin ibutan, x plus 2. So, we have length now, x plus 2, and width is x. And it's your time na to. Tayo ating mag-learn about multiplying polynomials. So, kung sa may unang buhaton? X times x.
X squared.
Okay, x squared. Yeah, next. X times 2. So, 2x. That's the answer. Again, so the figure in number 3 is certainly rectangle pa rin. So, what's the length? Okay, 2x plus 3. Okay, 2x and 3 units. How about the width? 2x. So, the area now is
4x squared plus
4x squared plus 6. Okay. So, number 4. What do you think is the figure?
square.
Okay, klaro kayo nga square. Tingnan naman. How did you know it's a square? Okay? Kani siya x, kani 3. Kani siya x, kani siya 3. So we have now square with sides x plus 3. So we have now x plus 3 times x plus 3. So pila may answer ni? So we have now x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. So the final answer is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Nakakuha, wala. May uban ka, dito sa x plus 9. So, number 5, ano sa maning figure? Rectangle. The length is 2x plus 4 and width is x plus 3. So, 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 3, okay, so 6x. X, 4 times x, oh, 4x. 4 times 3, 12. So, the final answer is plus 10x plus 12. So, sa problem, is sugod nga kuman ang problem na na-illustration. Diba? Kuman ang problem na drawing. Yung atong pahaton, i-multiply na lang ang mga numbers. What if, usual ba yan? No, what if wala i-figure? Tama rin maaway mag-drawing. So, considering nga, kabalo na mong multiply, kabalo na mong analyze of figure. Pero what if walay drawing? Like this one. And we rate this one. Wait. Para nibasa ang atong mga binanggang mga boys. Let's kindly participate reading, boys. 1, 2, 3, start together.
Mr. X has a rectangular garden with a dimension of xn by 2xn. However, the ground is so narrow, it decided to expand the length by 3 and the width by 4 meters. Question: what will be the area of the new garden?
Mas magandang pamingat ang usap sa arin sa boys chorus. 1, 2, 3, start, boys.
Mr. X has a rectangular garden with a dimension of xm by 2xm. However, he found it too narrow. He decided to expand the length by 3 and the width by 4 meters. Question: what will be the area of the new garden?
Okay. Kasi buhaton mo na period.
Uno!
Kunay kama.
Umamay!
Tapos, sige, maminaw nagkaro sa mga girls. 1, 2, 3, start.
Mr. X has a rectangular garden with a dimension of xm by 2xm. However, he found it so narrow. He decided to expand the length by 3 and the width by 4 meters. Question: what will be the area of the new garden?
Okay, kaning XN. Ako sa ring N.
Meters.
Okay, ikuan na nga meters na base. So, kindly read it again. 1, 2, 3, start.
Mr. X has a rectangular garden with a dimension of x meters by 2x meters. However, he found it so narrow. He decided to expand the length by 3 and the width by 4 meters. Question: what will be the area of the new garden?
Sa wide, dito basa wide.
Wait.
So, now, last, together, with the boys. 1, 2, 3, start.
Mr. X has a rectangular garden with a dimension of x meters by 2x meters. However, he found it so narrow. He decided to expand the length by 3 and the width by 4 meters. Question: what will be the area of the new garden?
Okay. So, I want the volunteer to explain this situation. Translate in your own understanding. Sige. You cannot find the area of that garden if you do not know or if you do not have an exact polynomial translation to that problem. Diba? You need to first identify the right length and the right width. Right? But you cannot do that if you do not understand it. And to check if you really understand, I want the volunteer to explain the problem in your own language. You say, sige. Pwede nga, si kuan ko no, na ay kuan, nasa garden, na anuhan, ang length, kahit kuan, kanyang hibuhan, ano siya. Sample lang na. Sige, I want the volunteer. Kung human ni, mag-awas kita. Dili, abot kita nga alas 12, 59. Walang may pamahaw. Okay, so that's what I mean. It's so easy if, for example, the problem is associated with figure already, di ba? Kung nanay sabay nga figure sa problem, nanay dimension, dali lagi tayo. Kaya labi na kung kabalo na madaan ng multiply. So here is how to find the answers of the problem. So, imo na siyang subton. Imo na siyang subton, sentence by sentence. Or even phrase by phrase. So, here, let's start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Together, ready? 1, 2, 3, from first sentence lang. 1, 2, 3, start.
Mr. X has a rectangular garden with a dimension of x meter by 2x meter.
Okay, nasa rectangular garden. Bring in the rectangular garden. Pila may dimension?
X meter.
Asa, ako sa nila bilang A, kanisang B. Asa nato ibutang ang X? Sa A o sa B? Isa may taas, X or 2X?
2x.
So asa nato ibutang ang X? A. Na, dire say? Now, second statement. Read together. 1, 2, 3, start.
However, he found it so narrow hence, he decided to expand the length by 3 meters and the width by 4 meters.
Okay, so, however, he found it so narrow. Ngayon, tag narrow, gamay ra area. So, he decided to expand. Kita man niya nga gamay ra, ang decision siya nga iyang expand. Yang palapdan by 3 meters, by the length, yang expand ang length of 3 meters, ang width ay 4 meters. Asa ta mo expand of 3 meters sa side? Dire nga, ako nabilang kung C, ako nabilang kung D. Asa ta mo expand of 3 meters? Sa C. Ganun sa C man? Dala man ang length. Diba? Kanima ang length. So, expand ta o 3 meters. Diba? Expand ta 3 meters. Asa ka mo expand of 4 meters? Sa D. Expand ta o 4 meters. So, ato nang ipadayon, kay wakang buigat din na kaya nag-expand. Diba? Automatic naman na. So, ipadayon ta na, padayon, nagpagma na ta o larger rectangle. Kasi na forma? Larger rectangle. So, pwede inyo na butangan din ako, imaginary or broken line. Pwede sa wala. Because there are two ways to solve this problem. So, therefore, what's the area? So, what's the area? Okay, so to find the area, you need to remember the formula. Kasi kung i-aral sa answer dahil, to explain. Okay, so ito sa mga formula. Area is length times weight. So, pila may length?
2x.
Okay, 2x plus 3. How about the length? Nabali, sorry. What's the length? 2x plus 3. Ang length is 2x plus 3. How about width? X plus 4. X plus 4. Okay? Ano na siya? So, what's next? Ato na, multiply. So, 2x times x? 2x squared. 2x times 4? 8x. 3 times x? 3x. 3 times 4? 12. So, we have now, area is equal to 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Okay, so that's the area. But is there another way to find the area? Saan mo? How? Okay, you may find the area of these 4 figures. So, area 1, you can let this be area 1. So, 2x times x? 2x squared. How about this? Let's consider this the area 2. It's up to you, actually. Asang 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is 8x. Yeah? 3x.
Well,
1. So, mukha na sa boys na hilo. Nga nung 8x man ni boys? Kapag ako, S as 2, 6, ganyan yung mo gawas. Nga nung 8x man ni? Butas. Nga nung 8x man ni butas, yung area to. Okay. Remember, ano sa may length, ane? Ano sa may kita sa ane? 2? 2x. Okay, mo na siya, di ba? 2x, ganin? 4. 2x times 4, 8x. Ganin, yung 12 mo na siya. Anong 12 mo na yung sida? Okay, ganun 12 na siya, piloso. Okay, kaya nga no, kinagalin is 3. Kung 4 nito, kaya nga na, 3 times 4. So that's another method. No? You can find the area using this method. No? Finding the area of the figures that you form after the illustration. Okay, add it all. So, this add. 2x squared plus siya is 11x plus 12. So, as you can see, mali na.